Hello, everyone. Fanny, are you there? Can you hear me? If you hear me, please write hello. Hello, Galilee. Welcome. Do you hear me? Okay. So yesterday we had problems. Well, I had problems uh, with the listening, but now I already worked those problems. I will explain to you once more this presentation a little bit quick, and then we will check a sheet because I already opened my account, and I just observed that 2 students did the activity. Okay, but if you don't listen to me, please write a comment in the chat. Okay, so let's see. Yesterday we had this presentation, possessive nouns. And well, you copy these examples, like this is Natasha's skirt. Then we have this is Dan's photograph, and the witch's broom, or this is Nikki's cat. And we observe that with the possessive nouns, we need this symbol called the apostrophe. And then we need a nest. Okay, so, but what's the use of this structure? Well, to show possession. Yesterday we watched a video, and I have here the explanation. Remember, we need the apostrophe and the est for singular nouns. Remember that a noun could be an object, a person, a place, an animal. Like for example, computer. Cat, that's another example of a noun. Island, that's a noun. Okay, remember, singular, only one. Plural, 2 or more. Okay, and in this example, the one that we have here that says we are having a party at John's house. In this case, John, it's the noun. Okay, but we need to say that the house belongs to John. In this case, we add the apostrophe and the s to the noun, that is John, and we have this example. We're having a party at John's house. Okay, so in the second example, it's exactly the same. We have the noun friend. Friend is the noun, okay? And we add the apostrophe and the s. Questions at this moment? Write me in the chat if you have questions. Aurelio, do you hear me? Yes? Is it clear? No, you don't have questions, Galilee? And you, Aurelio? Yes, what, Aurelio? Do you have questions or? Oh, it's clear. Okay, well. And you, Fanny? Is it clear for you? Well, let's see. We have more examples here. In this case, in the first example, Natasha is the noun. Tom is the noun. In the third, Dan, and in the fourth, Nikki. We have the apostrophe and the S, okay? Then, let's go with the plural. Remember, plural, two or more than two. And we have these examples. When we have plurals, most of the time the plural goes with S at the end, like in this case, parents, S. Ladies, S, okay? So in this case, we only add an apostrophe, and that's it. And with that apostrophe after the S, we are indicating that it's a possessive, okay? In this case, this is my parents' house. In Spanish will be, esta es la casa de mis papás, okay? Then, in the second, those are ladies' shoes. Esos son los zapatos de las damas, de las mujeres, okay? But remember, in plural that ends in S, we only add an apostrophe, that's it. Then, we have a special cases, irregular plural nouns. You can observe them in the screen. We have me, it's plural. That means hombres. Then we have women, it's also plural and means mujeres. Then we have children. Children, it's also plural and means niños. And then we have people. People means gente, personas, okay? But as you can observe, these nouns don't end in est. So that's why here we need to add, for the possessive, the apostrophe and the S. And we have the examples here. These are men's. We have the apostrophe and the S, shoes. And then we have children's, again, the apostrophe and the S. And with this, we have the possessive. And yesterday, you gave me the meaning of these examples. Do you have questions so far? Maximo, welcome. Questions, Max? Fanny, you didn't answer to me if you have questions or no. Is it clear? Write me, yes, teacher, it's clear, or no, I don't understand. Tell me, because I will continue. Oh, well, I will show you in a moment Class Dojo, because today we start with the participations, okay? Well, and I will also register the participations that you got yesterday. Okay, so we continue. Now, here I have another, well, we watched the video and we answer this. Did you do this as homework yesterday? Because together we answer the number 1 and 2. Do you have them? Did you answer them in your notebook or not yet? Write me. Yes, teacher, or no, not yet. Or let's participate. Yes? Do you want to participate? Okay, good, Aurelio. Good, Galilei. Great. So, me. Oh, as usual, the tradition. Okay, well, I will show you for a while Class Dojo, because I'm going to delete your participations. They were a lot. But give me a second. I will show you this. Give me a moment. I'm showing you Class Dojo. Okay. Give me a second. Okay. So You are going to see Class Dojo. No, I think you can't. Let me check. No. Okay, well, I'm going to delete your participations in Class Dojo. And we start with this. I will be registering your participation. So you write the answer here in the chat. And if you are right, I'm telling you great. And I'm registering participations, okay? So yesterday we answered 1 and 2. Now, please tell me the answer of number 3. Tell me that says the space room is upstairs, and the noun that needs to show possession, it's children. We have the space, the special case here. So the first who writes the answer correctly, participation. So I'm waiting for your answer. So write it quickly. Let's see who answers first. So you're saying me. Well, I want to see your answers. I'm waiting for you. Remember. Okay. Good, Galilei. Good. Very good. So it will say the children's with apostrophe and then the S. The children's room is upstairs. Okay, I'm registering your first participations, Galilei. Very good. What do you think if we play it triple? Triple because it's a special case. What do you think? Triple for the ones who are participating. Do you agree? Triple? Tell me, yes, teacher, triple. Okay, so we continue. Okay, now number 4. So who answers number 4? Number 4, what's that, Aurelio? Number 4, it says, sister is 12 years old. Okay, good, Aurelio. Just be careful with your spelling because John, it's spelled John. And you wrote Jhon apostrophe S. So just be careful with that. Okay. Yeah, but it's exactly like that. John's with apostrophe and the S. Very good. You didn't tell me anything about if you agreed with triple participation. Don't you want triple participations? Tell me. No? Triple or double or anything? Tell me. Triple? So I'm registering triple to Aurelio. Okay. So now, yes, okay. So, and with a friend, but the others, they are not online. They do not deserve triple. You are doing everything and they are doing anything, so that's not fair. So it couldn't be triple. Only triple for you, for the responsible. Okay, well, let's see this one. Let's skip number 5 and let's go to number 7. Tell me the answer of number 7. It says, my space car was not expensive. So tell me now the answer. So write it. Okay, so Aurelio, it's the fastest here. But I think you are wrong, Aurelio. So on the others, correct them. Galilei, it's number 7, not number 6. Well, actually, number 6, it's correct, Garely. It's men's, like that, okay? Good, Aurelio, you corrected. Now you're right. Remember, if the plural ends in S, like in this case, parents, and the apostrophe goes at the end, and that's it. So I'm registering participations too, Garely and Aurelio as well, okay? What about you, Fanny and Max? And I think we have another person who is the other student online. Let me know, write me a message. Who is the other person? Because I have 5 people online, but I don't identify who the other is. So tell me, who is the other student? Because we have 5 online. Okay, and well, let's go with Juliet. Welcome, Juliet. So now, let's see. Oh, this is quite a special number 8. Let's see if you can do it well. It says a space. CD player is new, and the noun that needs to show possession is Charles. This is quite a special. So let's see if you can answer it well. So go for it quickly. We are having triple participation. Juliet, Max, you need to participate. Let me tell you that at this moment, Aurelio is 30 participation as well as Galilee. So you're exactly the same, 30 and 30. And the others, quickly. Charles, not exactly, and I will tell you why not. Boys, Aurelio, we're in number 8, not number 9. No, Charles, like no, like that, no, and I will tell you why. This is another special case. No. Well, no. Max, try. Juliet, try. This one, number 8, because it's not correct yet. So, Galilee, try once more. Fanny. Now we are in number 8. The noun is Charles, not boys. No? Do you give up? Do I give you the answer or are you trying? No, Aurelio, like that. No, it's not correct. No. So just to analyze this. Charles, it's a name. It's not in plural. So how will you put it? Charles, it's not plural. It's only a person, but ends in est. So how will you write that? Charles in possessive. No? Fanny? Max? Juliet? No? Only Galilee and Aurelio are trying. And the others? No? Let's see. Charles. No, Aurelio, not yet. Not yet. I'm giving you the answers, I think. Yeah? Should I give you the answer or not yet? Or are you trying? Yes? Tell me. Right. Yes, teacher, tell us the answer, or you're still trying. Carlito. Well, that would be the translation, but not exactly. Not yet. No? I will write the answer for you to see, okay? And then and I will explain to you. So I'm writing the answer, and it's like this. Okay, that will be the answer. Okay, so why? Because Charles, it's not in plural. It's like Aurelio wrote it, Carlitos or Carlos. But in this case, well, ends in est. Okay, I will explain it in Spanish. Okay. En este caso es un poco especial, ¿ok? El sustantivo, que en este caso es Charles, termina en S, pero eso no significa que sea plural, o sea, estamos hablando de una persona, ajá, Carlos, ajá. Ok, entonces aquí sí le tenemos que poner, como en el primer caso, la apóstrofe y luego la S. No importa que se repita 2 S, ¿ah? No importa, así sería lo correcto. ¿No? Y así va a pasar a lo mejor con otros nombres que también terminen en S. No significa que sean plural. Entonces, aquí sí ponemos la apóstrofe y la S. Fanny, did you put it? I didn't see. Where did you put it? Because I don't see your comment. No, check. You wrote Charles with only with the apostrophe and the other S. Check it. You wrote it like this. I'm writing it. I wrote it in the chat. You wrote Charles with only with the apostrophe. Okay. So another example with similar name. Let me check. It will be exactly like in Spanish. Instead of Charles, let's use Carlos. For example, Carlos, and I will write it. Carlos, Carlos CD player is new, and I will write it. Exactly, or like Aurelio said, Carlitos. Will be like that. I wrote it. Carlos ends in S, then the apostrophe, then another S, because in this case it's not plural, it's only a person. Carlos CD player is new. Yes, Galilin? Or like Aurelio wrote it, Carlitos, exactly the same, apostrophe S, CD player is new. Like this, I'm writing it. CD player is new. Yes? Galilee, questions? Is it clear? Because remember, in this case, Carlos, it's not plural. It's only one. It's only a person. So that's why we add the apostrophe and the S. Yes? Tell me, yes or no? Okay, well, when we see each other in class, I'm giving you more examples. Well, actually, these days, in the activities that you have in Schoology, you will have more to practice, because I think you have like 3 or 4 more activities about possessive. So we are practicing more. But tell me, at this moment, is it clear? Just write yes, it's clear, I understood, or no, I have doubts, I have questions, or right. If you have this topic clear, right, yeah, it is clear. Okay, because we are about to finish. I'm showing you now Achieve for a while, and that's it. Yes, tell me. Yes, teacher, it's clear or not? Well, meanwhile, you're writing your comments. I'm showing you Achieve, okay? Because only two people answered. Okay, well, Fanny, Max, are you still there? Right, if it is clear. Boys number 9, let me see. Okay, yes, Max, yeah. This is the boy's bike. Okay, correct. Okay, I'm taking it. Well, and I think another person also gave me this answer. Well, I think it was funny. Well, I'm also giving you participations, funny. Okay. So I'm registering your participations, and you're like this. Aurelio 30, Galilee 30, Max 15, Fanny 15. Okay. Yes. So now. Okay. Yes, Fanny. In the number 10, boys, we only add the apostrophe because this is plural. Okay. Good, as well as Aurelio. Well, let me check if I can show you achieve because I already checked. And give me a second. I'm showing you. Well, I'm going to close this presentation and achieve. I think only Fanny, if I'm not wrong, and Aurelio answered achieve. And what about the others? Max, Galilee, Juliet. Well, and the others are disappeared. The other half of the class. What do you know about your classmates? About Rosa, Sebastian, Nade, Natalia? I'm so concerned about her. And Ricardo, where are they? They are disappeared. Well, questions about achieve? Remember that 2 activities that you needed to answer are called can cell phones keep sickness away? And the number 2 was what's happening to see stars? Well, I'm checking that only 2 answer achieve. Let me see if I can share you the screen. Okay. Look at this. Well, I don't know if you're able to see. Well, it says, Aurelio, you answer it, and you got 100 in the second try. Okay, so how many should I give it to you? Because I always forget. How many? 50? 50 participations, Aurelio, tell me? Or how many should I give it to you? Because it was 100 participations in the first try. But you got it in the second, so I think I need to give you 50. Write me if I am right. As well as in the second reading, you also got 100. Yes. Okay, so you're getting, because of the 2 activities, 100 participations. Yes. Okay. Then, Fanny, you also answer, and if I'm not wrong, you got 100 in the first try, Fanny. So you're getting 100 participations, and in the second reading, you got 75. So you're getting 150. Yeah? Am I right? 150? Do you agree or not? So Aurelio, you're getting 100 participation because it was 50 and 50. And then Fanny 150. Tell me, yes or no? Yeah, Aurelio, I'm telling you, you're getting 100. But what? Because you got 100, but in the second try, not in the first. And Fanny did in the first reading. Okay, well. So, what about you, Galilee, Juliet, Max, you need to answer achieve. If you have questions about the name of the activities, it's in Schoology activity number 4. Did you do it, Galilee? When did you do it? Yesterday in the afternoon? It's because sometimes achieve takes a little bit of time registering the results. So maybe if you answer it yesterday at night, maybe it's not registered yet. Maybe later. But tell me, when did you do it? Yesterday, in the afternoon, at night? Because maybe we can check this on Friday. Questions? So please, Max and Juliet, do achieve, please. And Galilee, if you already did it, no problem. Remember, sometimes achieve takes a little bit registering your activities and your results, but no problem. We can check them in our next session. Yes? So I think we have concluded. And please do the activities in Schoology. Our next session, I think it's on Friday. Let me check if I have here the calendar. With you will be, according to this calendar, you are second F, okay, and first D. Oh, yes, our next session is this Friday at 10 a.m. Friday, exactly, at 10. And well, if you already did the achieve activities, maybe today or the following days will be registered, Galilee, and we check them on Friday, okay? And on Friday, I register your participations, okay? So question, guys, I think it's time to go. And we see you on Friday. So please do your activities in Achieve and in Schoology. Please remember, you need to take a photograph as evidence and you send it to me using Schoology. Yes, questions? So if you don't have more questions, I tell you goodbye. Have a nice day, so don't get bored. You need to do many things related to school. So do your activities, your homeworks, have fun. You can watch Netflix or whatever you want, okay? But have fun. Wash your hands, please. And take care, okay? So we see you on Friday. Okay, goodbye, guys. Have fun. See you.